What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for another Jurassic World VelociCoaster update. We are just days away from the grand opening. Let's see how everything is going beforehand. And over here at the movie theater, all sorts of advertisements for F9, part of the Fast and Furious saga. It's going to be in theaters June 25th. Hello, Islands of Adventure. And it's a hot boy. Somewhere in the high 90s, or at least it feels that way right now. Busy too. Ticket windows have a decent line, and a lot of people are heading inside the park. Turnstiles on the left are open, and the right. We'll be right in. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. Wait times, let's check them out. Park is open till 9 p.m. and we can see Kong at 45 minutes. Some of the smaller rides, Seuss Trolley, 20 minutes. Cat in the Hat at 25. One Fish, Two Fish is at 35 minutes. Popeye and Bluto's at 35. Jurassic Park at 65. Hagrid's is at 60 minutes. So a little bit busier, but not too bad. And there's the Jurassic World VelociCoaster. Again, just days away from its official grand opening on June 10th. We're going back for more rides today, baby. Well, it appears the Toon Lagoon sign is behind work walls. Getting some enhancements. A lot of little things around the area have barricades around them. Looks like we're getting some touch-ups. Sorry. And here we go. Let's catch a ride, shall we? Yep, that's right. Still in technical rehearsal. However, they are saying on June 9th, the ride will be closed. The day before the opening, probably to get everything looking just nice. There we go. VelociCoaster. And not much of a wait today, as it's pretty much indoors. It's posted 35 minutes. We'll probably wait about 30. So they're playing some new video in the queue right there. That's pretty good, actually.
VelociCoaster is an innovative roller coaster, and its unique design allows you to achieve top speed.
Alrighty guys, so we just had a chance to do the VelociCoaster. That was ride number 22 for me. And we met an interesting character while we were in line. As you see, it's Nelson.
Oh my goodness.
I haven't seen you in forever, man.
It's been a while.
So,
yeah.
What did you think, honestly?
Okay, so this was my second ride. I did it earlier today, front row, and this one was back row. And I was speechless the first time. And I'm not gonna lie, this one absolutely blew me away. Yeah. This was an incredible ride that lives up to the hype. It's one of the most intricately created rides, it feels like, and you get constantly whipped. This thing is nonstop.
I think it's kind of funny that we literally have been following this for years and years and years, and now it's literally running right behind us, and it's not even officially opening day. That's June 10th.
Well,
it's June 7th right now.
For both of us, it feels like we have a bit of a bond to this ride, and I'm sure for a lot of people watching, you know, we've seen this since it was little markings on the ground. We saw flags in the bushes.
Yeah, we were staring at white little flags right here on the ground right here.
Yeah, so looking around, it's really cool, but overall, this ride is one of my favorites ever created. This is easily a 10 for me. Easily.
Well, you heard it from Nelson, so I guess it's good. Got some new umbrellas here. Alright, so just got off of VelociCoaster for our second ride. First time we only had to wait 15 minutes. Second time was about an hour and a half as we had some downtime, and then they were running it with one train. Ouch. VelociCoaster, VelociFishies. There's a lot of these guys today. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another update here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic World VelociCoaster. A really short update. We just wanted to check on everything, make sure it's doing all right. I know we had one train operations, but it will not be the case for opening day, hopefully. It was cool to see Nelson and get his opinion on riding it since he's been following this for over 2.5 years. And of course, opening day, June 10th. We're going to have plenty more updates from here. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.